Hey guys, it's James. We're going to talk about roofs and HOAs. So we just bought this property in Sammamish, Washington. It's in a nice residential neighborhood. It was a burnout, so half the roof had been burned off and it needed to be replaced. As I was driving through the neighborhood, I noticed that every house had a presidential roof or a shake roof. These are very expensive roofs to install. So I made sure title pulled the title report. I looked at the CC&Rs, and sure enough, in the HOA, it's a requirement. So when we had to budget or factor for our budgeting of the repair of that roof, we had to account for a higher cost. This roof cost us around $600 to $700 a square, rather than a traditional 30-year roof that costs me $300 to $350 a square. So by looking around and driving your neighborhood, it's going to give you hints about what you need to plan for as you're writing that next offer. Once you write that offer and you get it secured, look at the title report during your feasibility and see if there's any regulations on the roof, the windows, or any requirements or restrictions that the HOA has maybe put on that house. Then you can budget accordingly inside your feasibility, change your numbers, put the right budget on, and get on to the next project.